Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Sarita Prem, Director of Amadou Surabhi Ayurveda Siddha Hospitals. So today's topic is regarding our children. So important food items which are very much beneficial to develop the immunity and for the brain development in kids. See, many are not aware what food items we have to give for our kid for their growth and development. See, nowadays parents always give importance for their cravings, especially for their kids' cravings. They just see something, some sort of food items or some attractive packets in TV as well as when they move outside or in any magazines, and they will just persuade their parents to get it. So you must think whether it is good, whether it is nutritious for your child, then only you have to give. So many of us know what all things in regular routines we have to follow to improve the children's health. The first important thing is milk. Everybody know milk is a complete food. So you just make a habit of giving 1 glass of milk daily for your kid. Just in any other, you can add badam powder or anything which to improve the taste, and you otherwise plain milk is the best. Better to avoid all this market powders and everything to increase the taste and all. So there is no use. So when the kids are taking plain milk, 1 glass of milk, definitely it gives them more nutritious value. As we all know, milk is having lot of proteins, calcium and essential vitamins which are very much essential for their bone development as well as their brain tissue development. The other one is egg. See, many kids, they really love to have egg. Egg is very rich in choline. As we all know, choline is very important for the development of brain tissues. So when the brain tissues are development, definitely it will give more value for their intellectual power. So just try to give 1 egg regularly for your kid. The other one is fruits. Everyone know that all the fruits are rich in vitamin C. So if you are making the kids a habit of taking at least 1 fruit a day, definitely their immunity level will be moved up. So they will be having a good power of immunity to fight against the disease, and also it improves their health also. They will be getting the essential antioxidants and vitamins from the fruits. The other one is curd or yogurt, we say. See, yogurt is rich in probiotics. Already before in my previous video I told what is probiotics. That is the probiotics increases the good bacteria in our gut. So these are called as probiotics. So we have to give our kids at least once daily a little yogurt, either with the meals or anything, or in the form which they love to have. So it increases the immunity power for them to fight against diseases and external bacteria, virus and all. So the gut will be having a good source of good bacteria. And the other one is among fruits, I already told, berries are the best because berries contains antioxidants like which are very essential for the good blood flow, and also which are useful for their tissue developments, and also very much essential for their growth. Berries means strawberries, blueberry, everything are useful. Mulberry, all you can make a habit of making your child eat mixed fruits which are useful at least daily once a time. Otherwise, any 1 fruit a day. The other thing is nuts and seeds. See, dry nuts, especially among dry fruits, we know for kids, walnuts, badam is one of the best thing they can follow because it contains lot of vitamin E, zinc, which is essential for the brain development, for their bone growth and everything. So you can make a habit of giving them nuts. So when you are packing these snacks, just try to give them some dry fruits. instead of giving them pizza, burger, all those such type of junk foods, just try to make them use with these type of foodstuffs. The other one is grains, especially like wheat, ragi and all. These are all useful for them because it contains lot of fibers. See, many of the kids when they come to my clinic, they used to say, my parents used to tell that my child is not having a clear motion daily. He struggled a lot when he is passing his motion. So this all reason is lack of adequate water and fiber food. So grains contain lot of fibers and essential vitamins which are needed for our digestion and also for our body. So it helps to ease the digestion. And the next one is pulses. So we know, especially like beans, chickpeas, everything, these all are rich in vitamin B. So you have to make it a main source when you give for their prepare their lunch. Just make a habit for them to take these type of vegetables, and also vegetables like carrot, beetroot, which are very much essential for their brain development, for good for their eyes and also for their skin. And also leafy vegetables. This is a part which many kids neglect, that they don't like leafy vegetables. Many of the parents used to come and tell that they don't like leafy vegetables. You must tell them the importance of leafy vegetables because it contains lot of fibers and also essential things that is very essential for their digestive system. So when the digestion is proper and when their bowel is getting cleared properly, definitely they will be having a power to fight against the diseases. So these are some of the important things which you have to be very conscious in giving the food. The other thing is that make a habit for a kid to drink adequate water regularly, because many of the parents used to tell that he used to bring back the water bottles daily from the school without drinking even a little water. So even the teachers must educate the kids to what are the importance of having breakfast, having adequate water. See, that is very essential for the digestion. So without water, they will be facing more conditions like urinary disturbances, skin issues and many other things. So you must make a habit of making them drink at least required water according to their weight. So these are some points regarding the food. And see, Ayurveda is giving more importance for the kids' food, because in our department at Kaumara Bhritya is dealing with all the care that is to be given for the kid, that from birth to all each age development, according to the age development, what all food they have to take, what all things they have to follow and everything. Complete child care is described in that department. So we all know that at the time of birth, the first milk, that is colostrum, which is rich in lysozyme. So lysozyme, we already know that it is best to fight against the disease. So till 6 months, the babies, for them breast milk is the best one. Try to feed your baby an adequate amount of breast milk, because it helps a baby's bone development, brain development, and also it will make him free from whatever is baby free from to fight against the disease. The other thing is that just see, in our home only many remedies are there, at least which we can make them used. So as we all know, the kids immunity is very important in this generation, because we are facing lot of diseases. See, the season is coming in a typical way. So many of us is facing different type of diseases. So our generation must be given more importance. So you must give them an education that when they are having a slight issue regarding health, what to follow, especially in diet and even in drinking water. So when your kid is having any slight fever or any other cough or anything, just give him water which is boiled with dry ginger and coriander. That is best to improve their digestion power at that time. Try to make them have very light food which is easily digestible when they are suffering from any sort of infections. Don't try to feed any sort of junk foods and cold drinks and like even chilled products like ice creams and all, because it all affect their digestive power and they will become diseased back. The other thing is that some of the important medicines which we mention in Ayurveda is, say, for the kids' strength, you can give 1 teaspoon or tablespoon according to their age of purified ashwagandha churna, that is Withania somnifera powder, with honey daily night to improve the strength of your kid. And also there are many immunomodulators in market which we use to advise, like Panchagavya Krita, Indukanda Krita, and also for brain development, lot of medicines are there in classics like Brahmi Krita, Saraswata Krita, Saraswatarishtam. So it all depends upon the age and also good if they have good digestive power and or you can give these medicines as little support under the guidance of an Ayurvedic physician. And so just one tip I will tell you: if your child is suffering from fever, just give him a decoction which is prepared with half liter of water, plus you can add 3 to 4 tulsi leaf, half teaspoon of pepper powder and half inch size of ginger. Just boil it and make it a decoction and give intermittently, morning, afternoon and night, for your kid when they are suffering from fever. So it's the best one of the remedy, instead of giving them all other stuffs to compress the fever symptoms. And also for cough also, ginger juice plus honey is best in order to remove the phlegm and all. So it will be giving them a good method of immunity. It increases the immunity level also and also relieves the condition. So these are some of the methods which you can follow. So I hope this video had given you some information regarding the food items and some tips regarding the child health. So please share this video, subscribe our channel, and also just you can join our WhatsApp link and you can post your comments, you can post your doubts to our personal number. So next time we'll see you with a new video.